40 degrees out. Last 10 days we've gone from 80-degree weather during the day back down to the upper 20s. More snow. It's 40 degrees today. Last night we had straight line shear force winds across most of the state. Took down a lot of trees and took out power for a lot of people. But I just had to get out here today and try to ride a little bit. And that wind is really howling today, and it's cold. You can see we had a lot of rain to go with the wind. We've got a lot of water pooling and puddling around. One of the little tiny trees that came down in the preserve last night. They're everywhere like this. I will be so glad when the weather warms up and stays warm. I'm sure everybody else will too. We just keep on rolling along with it until it gets here. It'll get here. I can't wait. I don't have to be out here today, so I'm not going to be out here today. But it's nice to get a little ride in. Use my promo code SBJ15. SBJ15. Get yourself one of these outfitter racks with ramp to match to your 2-inch hitch for your vehicle. The more I use it, the more I like it. I really do. Whole lot easier, folks. A whole lot easier.